Hello all, this is Kumar Chandan. Welcome to Stock Fixers. We will analyze Bank Nifty and Nifty on the basis of Y, change in Y, and also we will check out the max pen, PCR, and trend cycle for Bank Nifty and Nifty. First, we will start with Bank Nifty. Let's see the closing price of Bank Nifty. It was at 21,592.05 on 26th June, and we are talking about 2nd July expiry. Now time to find out the trading range for the Bank Nifty. Trading range is the range between the highest call and highest put. Highest call act as the highest resistance for Bank Nifty, whereas the highest put will act as the highest support for Bank Nifty. Now time to find out the highest resistance. For that purpose we will go through the Y column and find out where is the highest call. And if we go through this column, and here we can see around 5,44,000 contracts are open over here at 23,000 strike, at 22,500 strike, and here you can see 6,19,000 contracts are open at 23,000 strike. So this strike is going to be the highest resistance for Bank Nifty, whereas this one is going to be the second highest resistance for Bank Nifty. However, this can act as another resistance. 22,000 can be act as another resistance, and this one is the immediate resistance at 20,500. So here you can see here 2,74,000 contracts are added at 22,000 strikes. So and here around 2,66,000 contracts are added. So these two are going to be an important resistance for Bank Nifty as well. Now for finding support, we'll go through the Y of put. Here we can see around 4,19,000 contracts are open at 22,000 strike, followed by here at 19,500 strike. At this strike we can see around 3,60,000 contracts are open at 19,500 strike. So this is going to be the highest support. This is going to be the second highest support. And for immediate support, we can see here around 3,15,000 contracts are open at 21,000. So this is going to be the immediate support for Bank Nifty. And here we can see around 1,15,000 contracts are open, added last day only, and here around 2,28,000 contracts, here 1,51,000 contracts added last day only. So these are going to be the important level as well on change in Y. Now the range of the Bank Nifty seems to be 20,000 to 22,500. This is going to be the range for the Bank Nifty, and keeping the pivot level as 21,500. Here we can see around 2,59,000 in call side and 1,90,000 in put side. Y are over here. So this is going to be the pivot level, and this can be the make and break level for the Bank Nifty. Above this, Bank Nifty will try to go towards 22,000 and then 22,500. Below this, Bank Nifty will try to go towards 21,000, 20,500 and 20,000. So this is the pivot level for Bank Nifty. Another thing that we have to check, the net change. See, here we can see some call buying, here call writing, here put writing. This indicates the last market was range bound, and we have seen some wild swing in last day. So this is an indication of range bound, and the wild swing can be seen as the strike Y has been scattered here and there on the strikes. So this is all on Y and change in Y for Bank Nifty. We will also check out the trend cycle for it. Before that, we'll move towards Nifty and try to find out what is going on Nifty. Here the closing of Nifty 10,383 is the closing on 26th June, and we are talking about 2nd July expiry. Now we'll find the range, the highest call and highest put. The highest call in Nifty is here. We can see around 25 lakh contracts are at 10,500, and here the 11,000 strike, around 27 lakh 21,000 contracts are open. So this is going to be the highest resistance, followed by this is going to be the second highest resistance for Bank Nifty, and this is going to be the immediate resistance. One thing that you have to keep in mind here, see, at 10,500 around 12 lakh contracts are added last day only. So this is going to be very, very tough resistance for Nifty. And here we can see around 10,400 5,95,000 contracts are added. So this is going to be an immediate resistance for Nifty. And if you see here, we can see the resistance zone, all resistance over here till 27 till 11,000 strike. So it is resistance for here in this. Another thing that we can see here, around 13,19,000 contracts are still open at 10,300, and this indicates some might be the negative opening of the Nifty. This indicates the negative opening may be possible. Now in put side, we'll go through this column to find the highest put at 10,000. We can say 20 lakh contracts are open. So this is going to be the highest support for the Nifty, and followed by here we can see around 15 lakh 84,000 contracts are at 10,300. So this is going to be the second highest, and this is all are support for Nifty. And here we can see around 7,93,000 contracts are added at 10,300. So this is going to be the support. And if you see below this, these all are support till here. So we can see there is tough competition in bulls and bears. Here we can see resistance, here we can see support. So as the VIX is high, we can see while swing in both side, maybe up down. This can be happen as the writers are both side available. And here we can see the call buying, and here call OTM call sell, and here put buying. This indicates the market was little bit range bound last day, and it may be range bound and little bearish in upcoming days. Now pivot level for the Nifty seems to be 10,300. This is the pivot level. 10,300 is the pivot level for the Nifty, and the range of the Nifty seems to be 10,000 to 10,500. This is a little bigger range for the Nifty, keeping the pivot level 10,300. Above this, it will try to go towards 400, 450 and 500. Below this, it will try to go towards 250 and 300. This is all on OI for Nifty. We will also check out the trend cycle for Bank Nifty and Nifty. For that purpose, we will go towards our blog, where we can see the max trend PCR and the trend cycle for Bank Nifty and Nifty. Here see the max trend and for Bank Nifty and Nifty seems constant, so there is nothing on it. So this is also indicates some range bound, and if we see the trend cycle, see from long, it is showing the weakness. Short cover, long unwinding, short cover, long unwinding. This is showing weakness on Bank Nifty. However, we have seen some strength in Nifty in last few trading session, but in last two trading sessions we have seen long and short cover. So Nifty seems a little positive to range bound, whereas Bank Nifty seems range bound to negative. So this depends. The weakness of Bank Nifty may reflect in Nifty. So this is all about Bank Nifty and Nifty with the help of OI and change in OI. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.